Hello viewers, welcome to Arbandhan YouTube channel. I am Shohan Rahman Shohag. Now I am talking about difference between dry type and oil field type transformer. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So let's start. So let us discuss the first difference, which is the cooling medium. In the dry type transformer uses natural air or the forced air to cool core and the internal windings of the transformer, whereas in the oil field transformer it uses mineral oil medium for cooling of cores and the bindings of transformer. What is the disadvantage of using mineral oil? It is very dangerous, as it has been reported that almost 70 to 80% of all transformer failure are due to internal windings in insulation failure, and this type of fault may lead to the fire and explosion of the transformer due to vaporization of mineral oil. Since the dry type do not use oil as a medium for cooling, therefore it is very safe to be installed everywhere. So we can say that the oil field transformer is not suitable in the public place because of fire hazard. So let's discuss the another difference, which is the maintenance. In dry type transformer there is no special maintenance required, whereas in the oil field transformer it requires maintenance on the regular basis. The sample of oil has been taken on the regular interval to see whether it is contaminated or not, and second, if the breather is installed on the transformer, then it has to be replaced after some time. Therefore we can easily say that third difference between these two transformers is noise. In dry type transformer it has been reported that it is more noisy as compared to the oil field transformer. So let me discuss why the noise is generated in the transformer. Basically, this phenomena is called magnetostriction. Due to this, the laminated core, which is made of thin sheets of steel, are controlled or expanded whenever they come in contact with the magnetic field. So because of this phenomena, all the sheets vibrate, which make a humming noise. Also the windings and the load noise also contribute to the overall noise of the transformer. Since the winding and the core are all exposed in the dry type transformer, therefore the noise is more prominent as compared to the oil field. Next, I will discuss the efficiency. Dry type transformers are less efficient because of limited voltage rating and their size. Also they are more prone to overheating if they experience overload, and because of this they have high electrical losses, and this type transformer is more expensive to maintain the power supply over time, whereas the oil field transformer is more efficient. The final comparison between these two transformers is the price. The dry type transformer is more expensive as compared to the oil field transformer. So based on what you require, whether you require public safety or whether you require silence or you require maintenance free operation, you can choose between both this transformer. In the remote area, oil field transformer is more preferable, and public area, dry type transformer is more preferable. So that's my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for being with me.